Now we are going to see the sums based on the future value. Future value is basically the estimated worth of money at specified date in the future. What is it? The estimated worth of the current asset. It will retrieve or will provide the future value of current asset. Getting my point? The current asset ka future value will be provided by the future value concept. Now basically for this particular sum, now we have seen in the previous sum the formula method or the manual method of calculating the present value. Again same, we have the future value calculation by manual method, and the formula goes like this: future value is equal to present value in bracket multiply by in bracket 1 plus r bracket complete ki par n. This n should be at the top. Now the first question goes like this: you invest rupees 50,000 in the fixed deposit account that offers an annual rate of interest at 8%. Calculate the future value of the investment after 5 years. Now the three things are mentioned: the initial investment, right? The present value of the investment is given as 50,000. The rate of interest is given as 8%, and the number of years estimated period is given as 5 years. Now what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate the future value. Now in Excel, while calculating the future value, we just need to put the formula. Again for this particular sums, kindly ignore this minus symbol. Done. Now the formula goes like this: is equal to future value in bracket, what they have mentioned, the rate is 8%, comma NPER is nothing but total number of the payment period. Now that period is 5 years, comma PMT will consider as 0. Then the next come is the present value is 0, comma the present value is how much? 50,000, comma again 0 as type. You will get the value as 73,000 for 466 as future value of 50,000. I hope this concept is clear to you all. Let's move for the next question. Next question says that you decided to save how much? 5,000 every year for 10 years in the saving account. Now the 5 years is the present value, 5,000 is a present value, 10 years are the number of the period, and the annual rate of interest is mentioned as 6%. Now again the solution will be is equal to, for Excel method, future value in bracket the rate is 6%, comma number of years are mentioned over here. The syntax is coming in over here. If you can see, PMT will be 0 only, payment methods. Again the present value is given in the question. The present value is given in the question. How much it is? 5,000, comma what's wrong, comma the present value is 5,000, comma we'll put that value again over here 0. Something is missing, the value is missing over here. 5,000 is a value, okay. 5, see again we will try, no worries, is equal to future value in bracket the rate, comma number of years, comma 0, comma present value, comma again 0 bracket complete, and you will get the value as future value as 8,954. that is almost 9,000. The present value is 5,000, and the future value of the 5,000 will be how much? 8,000. Let's go for the next question. Next question: you plan to invest 1 lakh in mutual funds that expected to grow at annual rate of return. The rate of return is given, R is mentioned as 12%, and number of years are given 7 years. Present value is given 1 lakh. Again the same formula we are going to use, is equal to present value, sorry, the future value in bracket rate is given, comma, number of years are given, comma, PMT as 0, nothing is mentioned about it, comma, 0, bracket complete. You will get the value as 2,21,068. So this 1 lakh, if we are investing today, so after 7 years we will get 2,21,000 if we are investing it for 7 years at 12% rate of interest. The tricky question over here we have, that is the fourth question and last question from this particular present value ka sum, sorry, the future value ka sum. You deposit rupees 20,000 in the bank account that offers a compounded rate of interest 9% per annum. Now I have highlighted certain points over here, or certain text over here. The compounded rate of interest is given for the 9% per annum. The compounded quarterly, now in a year we have 3 months ka 4 quarters. Done. Calculate the future value of this investment after 3 years. 3 साल के बाद हम लोग को कैलकुलेट करना है कितना रहेगा फ्यूचर वैल्यू. नाउ द नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स विल बी हाउ मच, 3 years. Done. Into quarterly, so we should multiply it with 4, so number of years will be 12. Now the rate is mentioned, it has 9%, so we are going to take into consideration 9% is nothing but 9 divided by 100. अगर हम लोग 9 divided by 100 करते हैं is equal to this divided by this particular sale, we will get 0.09 as an answer. 0.059 divided by compounded quarterly, is it is mentioned over here, so divided by 4 we'll get this value. We will end up getting this value. Done. Now the present value is mentioned in the question as 20,000. Done. We need to calculate the future value. How we are supposed to calculate? The formula is mentioned over here. Done. Is equal to future value FV in bracket the rate is how much, this. Done. Because it is compounded quarterly, divided by number of years will be 12, because again it is quarterly, comma 0, comma 20,000, comma type as 0, completed. So the, if we are investing 20,000 currently, after some years we will get 26,000 if the rate of interest is how much, 25% or 22%. Done. Okay, thank you so much. Next assignments we will do in the next lecture.